Okay, thanks for joining me for another video. This video is also on divisibility rules, divisibility laws, and today we're going to talk about what does it mean to be, or how can I know that a number is divisible by 2? That's the kicker here. So let's first talk about again, what does it mean to be divisible? So if a number is divisible, then it is capable of being divided without having any remainders, so no remaining parts. It can be represented as a whole number or an integer or an actual number. Choose your poison. All right, so let's get into this here. So if a number is divisible by 2, then a number must have one of these digits, okay? It needs to have 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. And you know what we call these digits? Numbers that end in these digits? We call them even numbers. So if a number is even, then we know that it's divisible by 2. It can be divided evenly by 2. Okay? So look here, let's just do a little practice here. Which of these numbers are divisible by 2? So looking real closely, let's look at the digit in the ones place. All right, so for A, we have 843. 843, in the ones place, we have a 3. This is not 0, 2, 4, 6. Oop, that is not a 6. 6 or 8. So A is not divisible. All right, look at B, 15. It is not an even number because it does not end. The ones place does not consist of a 1, 2, not 1, 2. Ooh, my goodness. The ones place does not consist of a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. It is not an even number. All right, let's look at C. Okay, I have 6. Look here. 6 is an even number. So this is definitely divisible by 6. To test it out here, if I want to divide 6 by 2, 2 goes into 6, 2, 4, 6, 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6, and I have a remainder of 0. So that just proves that 6 is divisible by 2. All right, let's look at the last one here. D. Our last number, let me go ahead and circle C. Our number in the ones place is an 8. So it is also an even number because 8 is an even number. Okay, let's just check it just to be sure. All right, we always need to check our work. So 2 is going to divide 678. All right, 2 goes into 6 like we just did before 3 times. I'm going to hover that over the 6 in the hundreds place. Multiply 6. I have a remainder of 0. That is a subtraction sign. All right, now I'm going to see how many times can 2 go into 7. Well, it also goes into it 3 times. 3 times 2 is, let me bring that down. Do it actually by long division. 6. Now I'm going to subtract here. I have a remainder of 1. And I can bring down my 8. 2 goes into 18 6 times. Ooh, it does not go into 6 times. Y'all help me out here. 2 goes into 18 9 times. Why do I like 6 so much? 9 times 2 is 18, and I have a remainder of 0. So look here, the quotient is 339 with no remainder. So that just proves to us that 678 is divisible by 2. First off, because it is an even number, but by proof here, we see that there's no remainders. All right, take a go at this one here. I encourage you to pause it, go through them, and continue to play. So A is 4,521. In the ones place, we have a 1, which is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. Okay, let's look at the next one. I'm going to mark that with red. It is not divisible. All right, so number B. B is 3,782. The ones place holds a 2. Is 2 even or odd? It is even. So that is divisible by 2. Okay, let's look at the next one. C has 877. In the ones place, there is a 7. And 7 is or is not even? It is not even. It is odd. So 877 is not divisible by 2. All right, and let's check out the last one, D. 5013. In the ones place, we have a 3. 3 is odd. It is not even, which means that it is not divisible by 2. So for this set of choices, B is the only one that is divisible by 2.